What's going on, guys? So, as you can tell, I'm in a different car. If you guys recognize anything, we're actually in Christian's car. And here's Andrew.
Hi.
Now, why am I in his car? Well, we're gonna be doing Christian's first mod. Well, first
mod.
performance mod,
Yeah.
that is, at least.
Still waiting on other parts, but first performance mod, finally.
Oh yeah, dude.
Well, I guess surprise till then, but yeah, I'll let you guys know what exhaust I'm gonna go with. Till then,
Exactly. Leave a comment below if you guys can guess what exhaust. You know, people are gonna be like, oh, it's a Magnaflow, or it's a Borla,
yeah,
or it's a Velasquez Special, or Vasquez
True.
Special.
true.
But yeah, so I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're just waiting around. I'm sitting inside his car. I'm just gonna jerk off real quick because these red seats need
Porno leather red seats.
it's that good leather conditioner,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
I do it every Tuesday actually. So
Oh,
tomorrow I
damn.
gotta moisturize it.
Well, Monday this side, Tuesday that side. I think it's nice though, dude. Interesting. Nice and rusty. Straightforward. 2 clamps.
Yeah, that's the right one.
So you guys are probably wondering, what brand? Well, Chris went with AWE tuning. Beautiful tips.
I know. I think you put some WD-40 inside, that's why.
哦，唔使 overtime 啊，今日啦，
話咩啊？
玩嗰度，揸得直唔直啊？
So small.
Yeah, see, tiny.
Beautiful, full 3-inch. Track edition.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
So fairly simple job.
I hope it's not the deficit because she got to go to work tomorrow.
With 2 bolts for the exhaust hangers. Got the 4 bolts over there. Right there. Alright, so Andrew already lined up, mock up everything. Really simple, straightforward. Christian's over here removing the last bolt. So there's 2 bolts on each hanger on the back on top of the muffler. So after you remove those, there's a bracket. After that, everything just drops down. Just like that, the old exhaust system is out. Chris's spring WD-40 on the hangers. Loop it up nice, because we do have to transfer hangers over. Andrew's just cleaning up the exhaust surface rust. Alright, I'll start the car. Alright, so AWE gave 6 clamps, so Chris does have to reuse these 2 rusty clamps, yeah. So
Thank you, Ford.
basically, but Andrew's already getting the rear end going. Should I spit on it?
I lowered the jack a little. I don't know how high to lower it. Yeah, that's good.
Ooh,
There you go.
beautiful.
All these are telescoping fucking, so they're pretty much, you push it all the way
I
in.
put on the hook up there already.
Oh, nice.
Perfect.
This one. Which way did I have the clamp?
Do it.
And just like that, they are on. So I do wish the tips would come out a little bit more, but if it pulls down any more, that's a little dangerous and it might come off. So that right there, that's just scratch marks. That's not the actual like cut marks. You can't see it, but that's not the actual cut marks. That the little slits for the clamp to go over, that's not it. That's just little scratches in there. So, but yeah. So how you liking it, Chris?
I love it. She actually sounds like a real car now.
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Couldn't stand. It's too quiet. But yeah, she sounds really good. I still gotta test drive it and
Break it in.
Break it in, yeah. They say it changes slightly, but I mean, honestly, I love it. I love that sound.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Sounds like an actual GT now.
Oh yeah. Till next time, next mod.
Till the next mod. But yeah, so a lot more room, saved a lot of weight, and there's the old setup right there. Obviously, Cris can't take that home, and I don't think he has any use for it, so it's gonna be with all the scrap metal.